video, I'm going to share with you guys on how to find a full-time corporate job in Dubai, especially for people who are aspiring to move, live and work over here as of now or else in future. So yeah, keep watching. Hi guys, it's Meera. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then let me tell you, I and my husband recently moved to Dubai from India. Well, my husband is on employment visa while I am on spouse/partner visa. So when Shyam was in Dubai, I started searching for a job while back in India itself, and fortunately I got it within a week. Hence, I had an offer letter even before my spouse visa arrival. I had a talk with the employer and they were agreed that okay, fine, we can wait till your spouse visa, and after it's all done you can come here and you can start your job. Also do note that Shyam has a full-time permanent role while I have full-time internships which I may or may not convert it to full-time after a few months. And also Shyam is in operations while I am in public relations. And we both got our jobs in two different ways. Firstly, let's talk about how Shyam found his job. So Shyam had a 5+ years of experience back in India in supply chain, and while he was casually applying to jobs out of India just to experience the new lifestyle, one of the HR got in touch with him through LinkedIn where he had showcased all his work. He had 3 stages of interview and all of these stages happened to be in one day itself. In fact, within 2 hours itself. And yeah, he was offered this job in the following week of the interview. Now let's talk about how I got a job, or else you can say full-time internship. So I completed my Master of Arts in Public Relations from University of Westminster, London, UK. I had no prior internship experience, hence I cannot directly switch on to full-time career in PR. But I had very good experience in social media, and for which I have done all types of internships, full-time role, part-time roles, and also the freelance work. And I'm also doing right now the freelance work. But I wanted to choose the PR as a full-time career over the social media, which is a long story why I chose that, which we will discuss later. But for now, I wanted to go with the PR. And even I would say that after I arrived in Dubai, I was not applying to any jobs because I already had an internship. But still, 2 of the HR from Dubai itself reached out to me through my portfolio on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is super helpful when it comes to showcasing your work, and I have been super active on that. So 2 HR reached out to me for a full-time social media role, which I didn't want to pursue, so I have to turn down that offer. Well, now that you know the background story of how we got a job in Dubai, here's the strategic way how I applied to PR internships here in Dubai. Firstly, I created the Excel sheet to list down all the PR agencies present in Dubai. Then I started finding the HR of these PR agencies, got in touch with them through LinkedIn and got their email ID and added the same on my Excel sheet. Now lastly, all I have to do is to send the cold messages on LinkedIn about my interest and also sharing my CV and also the full creative portfolio. And apart from this, I started sending the cold emails as well. So here's the format that I followed. First is the greeting, second is the introduction of myself, third is the skills I have and how I will add value to their company through my skills. The fourth one is the thank you, and also you can mention that you have attached the CV or your creative portfolio in this mail, so kindly refer to that. And lastly, thanks or regards, whatever suits. Likewise, I got a reply from one of the PR agencies saying that they are interested in my profile and they want to conduct the interview. I gave 3 stages of interview and I got selected. So now the main question is how you can find a job in Dubai. UAE has total of 65% of Indian expats living and working over here. Hence, you can say that UAE attracts talent. If you have the right skills, if you know that you are going to add value to the companies over here, you must apply. There are n number of companies who are offering visas very easily if you get hired. The most popular platforms to apply jobs over here in UAE or else in Dubai is the LinkedIn and the Naukri Gulf. You can just go out over there, reach out to people working in that company, make connections, send out the cold emails and get that job. So I hope you find this video super helpful. If you did, then make sure you like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries regarding searching a job or else regarding the visas, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next. Till then, bye.